We began looking at what it was going to take to restore the original building from what we had. The biggest challenge we found was having no real idea of exactly what the building looked like.
Yeah, when I started digging into Kampot history, few people knew it was a fish market.
Our approach, in fact, in terms of heritage, is to choose one time of the building and come back completely to this period.
The restoration of the fish market building, I believe, is very important to Kampot and the people of Kampot because it gives a visual representation of what once was. A true part of Kampot's history. So to restore the fish market, in a sense, is to keep a piece of that history and hold it, not let it go.